Yun na. Ito na yung final ano. Final.
Siyempre, yung other part ng equation, 'di ba? So, wala silang benefit for that. So, yun, no? That's the game preservation. So,
Bukas na. Ang takot lang. Yung putang ina, namamalo pa kayo. Nananakot na nga kayo.
parang fix yung supply. It's just pwede mo rin gawin 'yon. Pwede mong gawin 'yon sa network mo, no, or sa blockchain mo. Pero hindi kasi ganoon.
I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy.
Uy, may kiss pa.
Don't go dying on me now.
That the strength to stand alone. There's the strength to make a stand.
Nora from the savage east. And if she seeks to save lives, should we not listen? Let me speak to her. One last favor for a fellow marshal.
Security is tight, but if you disguise yourself as a scientist, you might be able to sneak in.
Can we get Sokolov out of there?
We'll see.
Clear out this place before I can look around.
You won't get away with that! Stop her!
Eto na. Wait lang guys ha. Ayusin ko lang yung camera kasi minsan
That's not necessary, is it? What if I just return to the claim?
Oh, well, that would save the crown the cost.
Of course. I'll be on my...
We are on the same side here.
I'll crank that car down myself if I have to.
Well, but then...
who would crank it back up? Fine, fine.
Parang in-expose mo yung source code eh. So medyo may ano siya ng copyright. Pero kahit sabihin na natin yung X na lang mismo itself, since yun yung build, 'di ba? And
The numbers. One of them doesn't look too good.
I think I'm starting to see things. Is that a...
Who the fuck? Lalaki ba yun? Walang boobs. Lalaki ata yun.
diba? Pero yung premise, yung mga ang tawag dito, yung mga ang tawag dito, yung mga anyway guys, so yun lang naman. Medyo late na rin, no? So I try to edit this stream para maging ano siya. Baga practicality lang, no? At least on my case na where's the case? Sorry, where's the shelves? Diba?
Someday you'll feed on a tree frog. It's ordeal, the trial to survive.
And for the good of all. I carry those words with me. On the hunt. No matter where it takes me.
Feeling mo hindi nag-work, no? Para hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate word. 'Di ba? Siguro, yes, that's the thing, no? Na parang hindi nila maintindihan yung corporate.
Pati yung bagal mo naman maglakad. Nagpapapicture ka lang ba?
It's time for Fox to clear its name.
What are you talking about?
The situation has changed. We've still got a chance to come out of this one alive.
Yeah, what kind of chance?
Don't get too excited. Here.
Ambushed by the boss.
You were what?
The drone's been shot to hell. It's up in flames.
That's not good. Enemy scouts are going to come looking for you.
Yeah, I know. But what was the boss doing here in the first place? There's got... Reloading can be so thrilling in the middle of a battle.
Surely the delay.
Either you do it now, or I will.
I knew you could do it! Friends, gather round. The savior of Meridian.
Colonel, even if they are our enemies, they're still our countrymen.
But it won't be me that pulled the trigger. It'll be our friend, the American.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. No problems detected.
Understood. Return to your position.
Good.
Patayin natin yan si Ocelot. Game over.
Across the solar system, no, in an instant. So ayun lang, no, yun yung appeal sa akin ng COD Infinite Warfare. Okay, yung version or yung progress nung gawa natin. Kunyari meron kang isang file, and then syempre do sa all throughout ng work mo, you keep on updating that. Gaya nito kay Sony, na gumawa sila ng sarili ng blockchain. Ibig sabihin, sila yung owner, sila yung may-ari ng sila yung stakeholder nung blockchain.
Akin mo bumibending.
Gusto mo na yan shooting at putukan. Syempre, 'di ba? Lalo na ngayon, yung mga shooty bang bang ngayon, 'di ba? Haptic na. Oh. At kaya maglaro ng pag-haptic, no? Feel na feel. Hindi. Work from home tayo. Wala, iba eh. Iba yung parang privilege, hindi privilege eh. Siguro yeah, privilege, but yung blockchain, no, yung record na, yung ledger na sinasabi ko, no, within the blockchain. Ito kasi yung sinishare sa lahat. Kaya nga siya decentralized eh. Ibig sabihin yung storage ng claim na, ay, oo nga pala, wait lang, hold on. True. Okay guys, sabi-sabay tayo. True. Castlevania Collection.
Kasama dun sa performance ng festival, which is parang dance, ano.
Tagal tayong walang stream, no? So, usually kasi, pag ganyan, tagal na walang stream. And, I don't know, si Rafi ata nag-stream ng mga nakaraan eh. Pag ganyan, medyo
over to the Soviet Union.
Precisely. Since then, they've apparently been training with the KGB for exactly this kind of situation. Their code names are Adam and Eva.
For the day we see new light, I give my life, not for honor.
dun sa game. No, and then from that, siguro, try to eliminate yung parang fanboyish fake doon sa laro.
Well, good evening, Sir Migs.
Siyempre, yung other part ng equation, 'di ba? So, wala silang benefit for that. So, yun, no? That's the game preservation.
Landed safely.
I got blown pretty far off target.
Snake, let's go over your mission objectives one more time. Rescue Sokolov.
Long to reach the other, to find the path we lost.
Roland?
You've heard of him,
Yeah.
but he's a story. Best.
To serve a purpose greater than myself. And for the good.
no, na which is magmamaterialize siya dun sa NFT, no, yung tinatawag nating non-fungible token, no. So di natin na-explain kung ano yung NFT, no. Research na.
Wala, hindi pwede mag-farm, sayang. Kala ko pwede. The Merbs. So, lapit. Okay. Dami nagbibideo okay dito. Lasingan din.
Pag dito, naipit na nga sa QA eh. Naipit na nga sa QA eh. Diba? So parang feeling ko mga 2 months na akong petix. Promise. Diba? Diba? So that's why. Wala ano? Sorry, ang sabi ni TJ, wala muna lang ako mag yung blockchain, no? Yung record na, yung ledger na sinasabi ko, no? Within the blockchain. Ito kasi yung sinishare sa lahat. Kaya nga siya decentralized eh. Ibig sabihin yung storage ng
Is rapidly crumbling away. A certain group is plotting to use this opportunity to seize power by rallying the anti-government forces, overthrowing Khrushchev, and installing
alert for an all-out nuclear war. Frantic negotiations were conducted through the UN's Emergency Security
Galing ng cinematics, kala mo totoo talaga eh.
to end the hair-trigger standoff.
Kaya din na nakuha itong mga clip na to.
kahit sino. Pero hindi nila magagamit yun. So, sa platform na gugustuhin nila. No, not unless meron silang valid NFT no, na hawak.
Uy! Bobo naman itong camera man na to.
Maybe finally someone who will outdrink me, huh?
meron kang kakayanan to talk about what do you call this? To talk about this, no, na ito yung view mo.
Tira ka na lang buhay. Paano ko basa?
Malaki siyang undertaking, to be honest. Especially kung halimbawa, sabihin natin kay Sony or kay Nintendo, na parang bibigyan nila ng attention or care. So, yeah. Wala naman daw masama maging balimbing. Ay, grabe, sir, sa balims. No? Anyway, pag ako nanonood ng review, hindi na ako more into the major genre. Ang area, dito try mong ubusin siya and then you proceed. Dito hindi, meron siyang level of tacticality. Diba? Merong tacticality kahit pa paano. Ayun.
Get away from me! You'll have to come back later.
I think you have me confused with someone else.
Owen didn't send you?
No.
Oh, my apologies. It's just that his...
I see. Nabanggal dyan.
Yes,